Does it seem sometimes for you that no matter how hard you work or how much money you're making, you're occasionally running out of money? What's going on, my friend? My name is Vitaliy Dubinin, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a system of managing your money to ensure that you make your money grow automatically, guaranteed. Let's go. You see, it doesn't matter how much money you're making. The secret to growing your wealth and becoming financially free is actually how you manage your money. And I first discovered it years ago by going through the program by Harv Eker, the Millionaire Mind Intensive, the 6 ways of how you manage your money. So I'm going to show you how it works in this video. When you have money coming in, no matter from which source, from your business, from your job, doesn't matter. This money, what most people do is they pay with this money for all of their expenses. Big mistake. That's not the way to build your wealth, because what you discover usually is that you always have more expenses than the money comes in, and no money for saving, no money for investment. If you don't learn how to manage your money, you can work for the rest of your life and not become financially free. So money comes in, you want to try to live on just 50% of this money, on your rent, utilities, your living expenses. Now 10% of that should go into your FFA account, your financial freedom account. This is, imagine, like your golden goose that you keep feeding in order to lay you the golden eggs that you'll be living later on in life when you become financially free. But you need to start building that golden goose, your financial freedom account, when you pay yourself first, not last, but first. Every money comes in, 10% goes into this account, and you never touch this money. You need to have the discipline to have this account just grow and grow and grow. And when do you use this money? How about never? You only live on the interest and the eggs of the passive income that this financial freedom account will provide you. This is where you build the foundation of your wealth, those savings that will turn into investments. Okay? Investments. And you want to keep it fairly low risk, which means about 70% of that you want to put it to low risk investments, about 20% into medium risk investments, and 10% into low risk, not low risk, high risk investments, high risk investments. So an example of a low risk can be a bond, a medium risk can be a stock, low risk can be ETF or index fund, and high risk can be tiny cryptocurrency, for example. Okay, so this is how you should think about it. Then another 10%, you divide it and it goes to LTS account, which is the long-term savings account for a specific reason. You're saving it for what? You're saving it for a car, you're saving it for a house, you're saving it for specific jewelry that you might want, or a specific vacation. So this is money that you're saving for a specific purpose. Another 10% goes into your education. So this is where you can actually buy the courses, buy the trainings, go to the live seminars, virtual seminars. If you don't invest in your own education to help you develop the right mindset, learn new skills, you will never become financially free. You will never achieve that master level when you grow your income, when you have wealth. Because wealth is not just money, it's also how you feel, it's your happiness, it's your relationships and everything. So 10% goes into your education. This is the money used specifically for upgrading yourself, your mindset and your skills. Got it? The next one is 10% is luxury or fun. So this is where you splurge this money on something that you'll feel extremely good, that you don't normally do, that the rich people do, but maybe you are not financially free yet. Maybe you think you can't afford it. This is for your spirit. This is where you step into the shoes of a rich man. You go and you order a bottle of, some kind of expensive champagne, or you go on a yacht trip, or you go and you get yourself a full body massage, or whatever it is the case. Like, you do something that is luxury, that is fun. Maybe you rent a Lamborghini for a day, but this money you need to blow up and spend by the end of the month. And another 10% is your contribution, charity, tithing, helping people. This is a very powerful principle, because by giving and contributing, you're actually training yourself on being more generous, and it will help you earn more because you want to contribute more. You see, if you don't get $1 out of $10, why would you get 100,000 out of 1,000,000, or $1 million out of $10 million? You're not gonna get there. So develop the habit, and the habit is more important than the amount. Doesn't matter if you have $1, divide this dollar into these 6 categories. If you have $100, divide it into 6 categories. You'll see, by developing this habit, you're setting up yourself for winning the money game and making your money grow no matter what. You learn to live below your means, you learn to save and invest, and this financial freedom account will keep growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. And where do you attach this money? Never. You'll just live on the interest payments from this account that will set you free and cover all of your expenses. I hope you enjoyed this video, got a lot of value out of this video. If you want to learn how to increase that earning income and how we are helping people all around the world to earn more income in cryptocurrency every single day, feel free to reach out. I'll send you some free trainings and materials to help you in this area. I'll see you in the next videos.